coming. Yeah, come on up here with me.
Aww. Come on.
On a $3,000 Apple Store gift card. You get $18,750.
Will my mom help you?
$24,273. Different cells.
You want help? Go
5,023.
ahead, hold him. Hold him.
Each year, a trip to Santa Barbara. I wanted to Santa Barbara. A sport boat.
My mom got it. Go ahead, my mom's got it. Okay, my mom help. Come on. I'll help. I'll help. Come on, I'll help. Come on. Big boy.
This doesn't count because you're holding his hands.
Big boy. He's tired.
Johnny.
Help.
Johnny. Johnny.
Come, mommy. See, I was tired. I wanted some help. He's gonna fall if you try to take off.
He's going to take off and just walk across the floor.
You're gonna try and take off Skid Rascal, aren't you? Huh? You're gonna try and take off Skid Rascal.